Hi everyone, I'm Financial Success. I'll be sharing life tips and money management notes and a little bit of investment knowledge on this channel. Make your life better. Today I want to introduce you to a financial book, Poor Dad Rich Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book will completely overturn your idea of money management. This book can definitely improve your knowledge of money management. So, let's get started. Since childhood, most of us have the idea that we should study hard, go to college, graduate, get a stable job, save up for a house, and work until we retire at 60. However, is this lifestyle really what we want? Look around you. Many well-educated people have achieved great careers and have well-paying jobs that look good on the surface, but in reality, they are still stuck for money. They work hard every day to pay the mortgage, the car loan, the children's school fees. Faced with financial pressure, most people choose to keep working hard to earn more money. In the book, the author describes the root of the problem, which is actually in people's spending patterns. People are working, earning, and spending in a continuous cycle, and eventually life will fall into a deadly cycle that repeats itself over and over again. Just like a mouse running in a circle, no matter how long it runs, it still can't run in that circle. The book Rich Dad Poor Dad provides a very valuable solution. He does not tell you what stocks to buy or what kind of investments to make. He doesn't tell you what stocks to buy or what type of investments to make. The author introduces the way rich people think to the reader in easy-to-understand text. Next, I'll share 2 key points from the book to help you achieve wealth freedom. The first point is to understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and to build your own assets. This is one of the most important core concepts of the book. The first part of building wealth is to understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and the author explains it in a way that is easier for us to understand. Assets are money you can put in your pocket, while liabilities are money you can take out of your pocket. An asset is the money that can be put into your pocket on a fixed monthly basis, which is cash flow. It's that simple. There is a couple in the book, both of whom have college degrees and a good income, and their savings are growing. Soon after they purchased a house and carried a 30-year mortgage, along with a new car, new furniture, and new appliances. Suddenly their debts come, a child is born, and the family's expenses grow, and they work harder to raise their income to meet the bills. But their spending habits don't change, and they end up falling into the rat race trap inside. The real problem is not that they don't earn enough, but that they don't know how to handle the money in their hands. The rich get richer because they buy assets, generate cash flow from them to meet their daily expenses, and then put the rest of their money back into their assets. This is the reason why the rich are getting richer and richer. The author makes a point of writing that the rich will buy first and the poor will only spend. The middle class buys liabilities that they think are assets. Then comes the second point, the rich people focus on their own business and assets. The authors talk about how people with financial problems often spend their lives working for others. For the sake of financial security, the author reminds readers to focus on their own careers. The business here is an asset, not a monthly paycheck. The secret is to know the difference between assets and liabilities and to only buy or build assets. The rich are always concerned with assets, most people are only concerned with income. Readers can take the money saved to build your own assets, not liabilities and luxuries. The author shares, in the book, the ratio of several assets. The first is a business that does not require your presence to function properly. It can be a restaurant that you run. The second is stocks, by buying companies that are growing steadily. The third is debt papers, by buying debt papers through companies that earn a steady interest income. Income producing real estate, by renting out properties and getting a regular monthly cash flow. There are many other concepts in the book that are worth thinking about, and we highly recommend you buy this book to read. There are more than 10 more books in the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series. I believe that you are willing to understand the book, the way of thinking and concepts of the rich, and then in the application of their own lives. Then your financial management and life will take a different path. I hope you enjoy the film today and take away some knowledge from it. If my videos have inspired you in your life, I hope you can subscribe to my channel and like my videos or share them with your friends as support. Thanks again. See you in the next video.